Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the absolute best credit cards for college students in 2025. We're talking about solid cash back, no annual fees, and a few hidden perks that can actually put money back into your pocket. If you're a college student searching for your first credit card, you're probably in one of two boats. Either you have zero credit history or your credit is brand new and barely getting started. That's exactly where I found myself back in school, clueless about the power of building credit early and completely unaware of how much of a head start I could have had. But that does not have to be your story. And trust me, the credit decisions you make now will massively pay off down the line. Whether it's getting approved for your dream home, securing your first car loan, or just locking in lower interest rates as you get older. So before we jump in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, especially if you're serious about taking control of your credit card future. I drop videos just like this once a week to help you build smarter financial habits. Now let's dive in. Let's start off strong with one of the most well-known options for students, the Discover It Student Cashback Card. This one's a fan favorite for a reason. With this card, you can earn a whopping 5% cash back on rotating categories on up to $1,500 in purchases every quarter when you activate categories like grocery stores, gas stations, Amazon, and so much more. And just to give you a real example, let's say the category this quarter is grocery stores. If you activate the feature and spend $1,500 during that quarter, you'll earn $75 in cash back. Not bad for simply buying food. Now here's where Discover really sweetens the deal. During the first year, they'll also match every dollar of cash back that you earn. So if you rake in $100 in year one, they'll give you another $100 at the end of the year. That effectively doubles your earnings and gives you a 10% return in those bonus categories. The only catch, you'll need to activate your 5% categories each quarter, and everything outside of those categories will earn just 1% cash back. But for students who can remember to click a button every few months, this card is a total game changer. Now, if keeping track of changing categories sounds like a headache, I hear you, and that's where the Chase Freedom Rise will come in. This card is specifically designed for people who are looking to build credit. You'll earn a consistent 1.5% cash back on purchases, no rotating categories, no confusion, just simple and predictable rewards. But wait, it gets even better. Chase will give you a $25 statement credit just for setting up automatic payments, which is something you should do anyway to avoid late fees and missed payments. By the way, if you're still watching and finding this helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you build real wealth from the ground up, even if you're starting with nothing. Next on the list is Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. Like the Chase card, it gives you a flat 1.5% cash back on all your purchases, which is simple and easy. You also receive 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, but terms will apply. But what makes it stand out is the welcome bonus. You'll earn $100 after spending $300 in the first 3 months of having your account. Think about that. You're basically earning 33% back on your first $300 in purchases. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also earn 5% back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Oh, and if you're planning to study abroad or travel during the holiday season, there are no foreign transaction fees. That means you can swipe your card in Europe, Asia, or wherever Wanderlust takes you without worrying about extra charges stacking up. Now let's talk about a card that really brings the heat. The Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card for students. This one offers 2% cash back on purchases for the first year from account opening. Thereafter, you'll earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. But where it really shines is the welcome bonus. When you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days, you'll earn a $200 bonus. But look out, if you intend on using this card for travel, you will be subject to a 3% foreign transaction fee, so that's something you'll want to keep in mind. If you're the kind of student who lives for takeout, Netflix, concerts, and snack runs, then listen up because this card might be your new best friend. With the Capital One Saver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card, you'll earn unlimited 3% cash back every time you hit up your favorite grocery store, as long as it's not a superstore like Walmart or Target. You'll get the same 3% when you grab dinner with your friends, binge your go-to streaming shows, or you head out for a night of fun and entertainment. But it doesn't stop there. Capital One is throwing in 8% cash back when you book concert tickets, comedy shows, or other entertainment experiences through their exclusive entertainment portal. And if you're planning a weekend trip or need a ride for a road trip, you'll also get 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. So basically, if you're spending money to live your best college life, this card will give you serious rewards for it. Now, if you're someone who likes a little flexibility, and let's be honest, college life is anything but predictable, then the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards credit card for students might be the perfect fit. This card lets you choose where you earn the most cash back. And for the first year, you'll earn an incredible 6% cash back in one category of your choice. That could be gas and EV charging stations, online shopping, and much more. This can even cover your phone bill, internet, and streaming services, as well as dining, travel, drugstores, or even home improvement and furniture. Because yes, that dorm room couch might need an upgrade. On top of that, you'll automatically get 2% back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. Just keep in mind that the 6% and 2% apply to the first $2,500 in combined spending each quarter. After that, and on everything else, you'll earn a flat 1% back. Once your first year is up, your custom category drops to 3% instead of 6%, but that's still a strong rate, especially since you get to tailor it to wherever your money is going that quarter. Whether you're grocery shopping, booking trips, or just buying everything on Amazon, this card adapts to your lifestyle and rewards you big. As for the welcome offer, you'll earn a $200 cash rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. That's a seriously solid offer for a student card. However, you still have that 3% foreign transaction fee if you're traveling internationally. Let's wrap this up with one of my favorite cards on this list, the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card for Students. With this card, you'll earn 3 points for every dollar that you spend on travel booked through the Bank of America Travel Center, which includes flights, hotels, and even cruises. But even if you're not globetrotting just yet, you'll still earn a solid 1.5 points per dollar on qualifying transactions. No limits, no categories to track, and no points expiring as long as your account stays open. You can use your points for statement credits toward travel purchases, but you can also use them at restaurants. So that welcome bonus of 25,000 points after spending $1,000 in 90 days can easily cover a weekend getaway or at least a few dinners. And the great thing about this card, no foreign transaction fees. So if you're a student who loves to travel or just wants the flexibility to earn rewards in a way that fits your life, this card is worth a serious look. So whether you want simple cash back, high bonuses, travel perks, or flexible rewards, there's a student credit card out there that fits your style. But remember, none of this works if you carry a balance and rack up interest charges. Paying off your card in full every month is exactly how you build excellent credit, and that's what makes these rewards truly worthwhile. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. We're building a whole community of financially smart students and young adults who are setting themselves up for long-term success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.